Welcome back, dear students. So here we are going to about furthermore, and this will be the very interesting story, and this is the end of these topics of the Nernst equation we are moving. Dear students, on that day we have calculate about the question of to find pH. Now we are going to calculate furthermore in this question, and this time watch out, this question is given to you and that you have to follow. See this question. Here we are given find the pH of the HCl solution if the cell potential of following cell is 0.096 volt, okay, and the cell is given Sn by Sn plus 2 whose concentration is 0.05 molar, and the acid is given there HCl, and HCl has only the concentration X, and the pH of from this we have to find. So to find we know pH, we need the formula pH is equals to minus log H plus or H3O plus. Okay, so here we need some concentration of H plus, but H plus concentration is not provided to us. You can check out this. The concentration of H plus is here X, not given. So that means we have to do something else, and in something else what we can do, that we are going to study. Okay, so as usual here E degree Sn by 2 is given, and we do not have any idea about E degree cell. So first we will learn find out the E degree cell. Now it is no need to what is cathode and anode. Whatever the right side is cathode and whatever the left side is anode. જે જમણી બાજુ છે cathode છે અને ડાબી બાજુ છે anode છે. મગજમાં ઘૂસી ગયું છે, પ્લસ છે cathode છે, માઇનસ છે anode છે. તો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ હવે આપણે ફક્ત વેલ્યુ મૂકીશું. હિયર કેથોડ તરીકે હાઇડ્રોજન છે, that you can observe. હાઇડ્રોજન છે કેથોડ તરીકે. Check out this, the hydrogen is there, and the potential of hydrogen, now we aware with this value okay, potential of hydrogen is 0, so I am writing 0. And as well કોના તરીકે આપણા પાસે તો એનોડ તરીકે ટીન છે, અને ટીનનો પોટેન્શિયલ we are given here minus 0.14 is the minus 0.14 value, so that's why I am putting there minus 0.14, and the total answer will be now 0 minus minus plus, and that is the 0.14 will be the answer. So hope that you understand this. Okay, so here our first point we have completed, okay, how we are going to find out that. Now the second point is to use the Nernst equation, and we are going to using here Nernst equation, and you know the Nernst equation is like this, and here E cell E degree cell minus 0.0592 log anode by cathode, that's all value you now known by you. So I don't think now here any problem with you. So hope that I am putting here only the value E degree cell. Now you can see this E degree cell is given to us, E cells rather, E cell is given to us, and that is the 0.096. So I am writing here value of cell is 0.096 and equals to E degree cell. We have find out E degree cell, it was come 0.14. So I am writing here 0.14 minus 0.0959, sorry, 592. Now I am not taking 2, 59 is enough, and divided by how many? 2. See, Sn has how many electron? See, check out this. Sn has 2 electron. Is it so? And hydrogen has 1 electron. 2 and 2. So that's why total here n is 2. Okay. So I am putting here value of n, that is 0.059 by 2, and log anode by cathode. Now this will be the interesting, what is the value of anode and what is the value of cathode, that we are going to check out here. See, value of anode is nothing but the Sn plus 2. So I am writing here Sn plus 2. Okay, any problem for you if I am writing here Sn plus 2, because the concentration of that is given 0.05, but I am writing there directly Sn plus 2, because first we will make one formula that you can understand furtherly very interestingly. So that's why I am putting here Sn okay, and in power top we are writing plus 2, okay. So upper part is completed, okay. Now below part, now this will be the interesting for you, and this is most important part. You have to watch out this nicely, because here if you don't understand, then some problem will be arise to you. Dear students, here we have H plus, here we have H plus only. But if we will see the transport of electron are 2, and here we are taking only plus. So is it okay? No, I don't think here it is okay, because you can see here on the top there are how many electrons? 2 electrons are there. So here only 1 electrons are there. So it is not appropriate. So according to me, it should be taken here 2. So here I am writing, sorry, it cannot be 2, so I have to square out, okay. So dear students, here હાઇડ્રોજન આયન નો સ્ક્વેર થઈ જાય છે. યાદ રાખો કોનો સ્ક્વેર થઈ જાય છે? હાઇડ્રોજન આયન નો સ્ક્વેર થઈ જાય છે. So when you will use formula, at that time you have to take the square of hydrogen ion. I hope that you understand this all. અગર ના સમજણ પડી હોય તો કહો. હવે આપણે આનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ચાલુ કરીએ. તો કેલ્ક્યુલેશનમાં બધાથી પહેલા તો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આ જ થશે ને કે આપણા પાસે જે આ 0.14 છે એ 0.096 સાથે માઇનસ થઈ જશે. So that we have to do first, okay. So we are going to do that first, okay. So see here what is happening. 0.096 minus 0.14 I have done. You can check out that, and here also I have done 0.059 by 2, that is the value minus 0.0295, and log in place of Sn plus 2 I have written 0.05, and x square in place of h plus I have written x, and that will remain as it is. So now 0.096 minus 0.14 is equals to 0 minus 0.0925 log 0.05 upon x square. Okay, now dear students, now listen this. 0.096 minus 0.14 is nothing but the minus 0.044, and this will remaining. Now what is going to happen? You know now what is going to happen. This minus minus will be cut out, and as well as this value of 0.0295 is going to down to 0.044, and that's why the next step what we are going to follow is nothing but this step. See the value which was the down, now that you can see 0.044 minus was cut out, 0.0295 will come out, and log x 0.05 upon x square remaining as it is. Now the value of 0.044 divided by 0.0295 is nothing but the 1.4915. You can calculate that, and rest remaining as it is, okay. So now further we are going to calculate it, and this is the calculation over k by 0. And જે 0.05 x square છે એમ જ રહેશે, and that log will to reach to be anti-log. એ બાજુ આવતા log શું બની જશે? Anti-log બની જશે. So hope that you understand that now this step is different, and 0.05 upon x square is equals to anti-log 1.95. Hope that you understand this, okay. Now what is going to happen? Now what is going to happen, that we are going to check out this come to us, okay. Now see another step, this anti-log we are going to find, and anti-log is nothing but the value that is 3.05. So that's why I am writing here equals to, okay, the value of anti-log is, you can calculate that, the value will come 30.0401, okay. Now after that, now we have to use simple calculation, and I hope that you can understand this simple calculation. કે શું થઈ ગયું આની અંદર? x square જે છે એ સબ્જેક્ટ બની ગયો, 0.05 એમ જ રહેશે, અને 30.01 નીચે આવી ગયો, and the answer is this. હવે આનું આપણે શું કાઢવાનું રહેશે? Dear students, શું કરવું પડશે? આનું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ. તો anybody knows square root of 0.0016 is nothing but the 0.0407, and that's why the value of x will be, now here we got the value of x, and the value of x is this. See, value of x what we got here? Here x is equals to 0.0407, and now we are entering at the